Today we are going to study about the criterias of similarity of triangles. See, you can see we have three criterias. पहला है जो वो है डबल ए और यू कैन से ट्रिपल ए ऑल्सो. सेकेंड इज एस ए एस एंड थर्ड वन इज triple S. See, we have already discussed what similarity of triangle means. Now, this is the time when we will be discussing about the criteria and how we can show that given two triangles are similar. तो पहले सबसे पहले देखेंगे डबल ए, व्हाट दिस डबल ए क्राइटेरिया इज. सो इफ आई ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल, let's say this is my ABC and there is another triangle, let's say this is PQR, and if this angle is, let's say this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree, and this say, let's say this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. So in that situation we can see that we have these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and they have angle B equal to 45 and angle Q equal to 45 degree, angle C equal to 60 degree, and angle R is also 60 degree. So here we know that if two angles are equal, the third will also be equal by using the result of angle sum property. So it is sufficient for us if we get two angles, corresponding angles equal, then we can say these two triangles are similar. So these two triangle, I can say this triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Here you have to keep in mind one thing, that order of the triangle is very important. I cannot write that triangle ABC similar triangle RQP, or I say PRQ. So this order has to be maintained and it has to go according like you did it in class 9 for congruency of triangle. So order is very important to keep in mind. So we can say these two triangles are similar because of double A criteria. This is, you can say double A or you can say triple A also. Now if these triangles are similar, then we can get some other important results also, that AB upon, you can say AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, and BC upon QR. And this is as you used to get in congruency of triangle, these kind of result, and you were saying that CPCT. So here you will be saying the corresponding parts of similar triangle, CPST you can say. So that is okay. CPST you may say, CPST, congruent corresponding parts of similar triangles are in equal proportions. Basically, if they are the sides, if the angles we say they are equal. Now come to the second criteria, this is SAS. Again, this is very important to understand that if this is a triangle ABC and this is, let's say, triangle, this time we take this triangle as DEF, this is DEF, and if I say this is 2 unit, this is 4 unit, this is 3 unit, this is 6 unit, and this angle is, let's say, 45 degree, and this is also 45 degree. So I can see that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. You can see both ratios are equal to 1/2. So if we are getting this kind of relation between two corresponding sides, and third one is that angle B is equal to angle E. So after getting these two things, you can say, which implies that triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF by this criteria SAS. So you can say, and now you can also say about these remaining angles. Angle A, after proving that they are similar, angle A you can write angle equal to D, and angle C is equal to angle F. You can get the result by CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So you have now understood this SAS criteria also. Now come to triple S. So again we'll take some example to clarify this. again I am taking this triangle. Let's say this is PQR and this is, let's say this is DEF. This side measurement is 2, this is 4, this is let's say this is 3, this is 6, and let's say this is also 3 and this is also 6. So now if I find the ratio PQ upon DE, this value is 1 by 2, and PR upon DF, this value is also 1 by 2, and QR upon EF, this value is also 1 by 2. So we are getting that all sides are in equal proportion corresponding wise. So we can say this triangle this triangle PQR, similar triangle DEF by ट्रिपल एस. और अगर ये एक बार आपके प्रूव हो गए कि ये सिमिलर हैं तो आप इसके बाद आप एंगल्स के बारे में भी कमेंट कर सकते हो कि दैट एंगल P जो होगा वो एंगल D के इक्वल होगा, एंगल Q जो होगा वो एंगल E के इक्वल होगा, और एंगल R जो होगा वो एंगल F के इक्वल होगा. See, all these results are well proven results. So but here we are just understanding the criterias. Proof is already there in NCERT book, so those who are interested can see the proof also, but here we need to know only these criteria and we should know how to use them. After knowing the criterias for similarity of triangles, now we will discuss exercise 6.3. This is question number 2, and question number 2, you can see this ODC, this is O, this point is O, this is ODC, and this is OBA. They are given as similar, and BOC is 125 degree, and CDO, this is CDO is 70 degree. We have to find DOC we have to find, and we have to find DCO, this angle we have to find, and OAB we have to find. So let's start now. We will write first what is given. Given is, you can see what is given to you, that ODC, triangle ODC is similar triangle OBA, this is first thing given. Then this BOC, this is 125 degree given. This is CDO, 70 degree given, and we have to find angle DOC, angle DCO, and angle OAB. So we write the solution. First you get the idea how you can solve this problem. See, this triangle, these two triangle means this ODC and this OBA, they are given similar. So what's the use of this? So the use of this is that we can see this angle 70 degree will be equal to this angle D will be equal to angle B. So B we are going to get. Now after this you can see this is 125 degree. This is the exterior angle for triangle OAB. So or you can find this angle by linear pair. You can find this angle also, and you have B, and with the help of angle sum property you can find this angle, and we can directly use this thing also, that this 125 and this angle will be linear pair. You can find this angle equal to this angle, and this, once you find this angle will be equal to this angle by similarity of these two triangles given. So we can use in any of the way. So now I am using this thing, that angle this is OCB plus angle BOA, this is equal to 180 degree. I am using linear pair angles criteria, linear pair of angles. So now if this is 125, then this BOA is going to be 180 minus 125. So this is now going to be 55. So this is 55 degree if this is 55 degree, then and this is 70, so this also be 70. Also you can say that D, this is CDO is equal to OBA, and both are going to be 70 degree. Reason you may mention that ODC, triangle ODC, similar triangle OBA is given, so we can find this. OB has come to us. Now this is 70 degree, so with the help of angle sum property we can find in triangle OAB, angle A plus angle B plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. So you have all these values, so angle A will be 180 minus 55 minus 70. So this is going to be 180 minus, you can write directly 55, this is 125 minus this is 125. So this is going to be 55. So once you have got this as 55, now after solving all these angles you can find all angles like DOC. You've already seen that DOC, this will be 55 degree, by you can write the reason as vertically opposite angles, and you can get these angle C also, because DCO they were asking. So DCO is going to be angle equal to this, and this is 55, so this is also going to be 55 by because this is given, triangles are similar. And last angle is OAB. OAB we have already found, so this is 55 degree, and you can say this is because of this triangle ODC, similar triangle OBA. So this way we have found all the angles. Now come to the question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at point O using a similarity criteria for two triangles. Show that OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. Similar question हमने पहले किया था एक्सरसाइज 6.2 में, जिसमें हमने यूज़ किया था आपका BPT थ्योरम, जिससे आपने प्रूव किया था. नाउ सेम क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू शो with the help of similarity of triangles. So let's start with this. This is the trapezium. So first you have to draw a trapezium. So this is let's say this is the trapezium, your A, B, C, D, and diagonal AC. This is your diagonal AC, and this is your diagonal BD. They both are meeting at this point O, and AB parallel DC. This is given. So we'll write this given AD parallel BC, and now you have to show OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. So you write to show OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So we write the solution. Now I'll explain you how you'll go about it. So you choose these two triangles, OAOB, and you take triangle OCOD. AOB and COD if you choose, then you have to show these two triangles are similar. Now how you can show? If I mark this as angle 1, so this angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, and you know that these two lines are parallel, so one angle equal to angle 2, and these are alternate angles. Similarly you can also find this angle 3 and this as angle 4, so these are also equal because of the same reason. And one more, you can find this angle and this angle, this is vertically opposite angles, so all three angles are going to be equal corresponding wise, but we need to just show two angles. So we take this angle as 3 and this as angle as 4, and we write this in triangle AOB and triangle COD. So this angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, and you may write the reason: alternate interior angles. So after seeing this, you can write that AO be similar triangle COD by the reason, you write the reason AA. Now after proving them they are similar, you can write the result that AO upon OC, AO of this triangle, OC of this triangle will be BO of this triangle, and ODO of this triangle will be equal. So this is the result by, you can write that CP ST, and you have proved the result. Now consider this question number 4. In this QR upon QS, you can say this is QR and this is QS, this is S. So QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is given to us, and angle 1 equal to angle 2 is given to us. Show करना है हमें RPQ. You can see this is R, this is P, this is Q, similar to TQR. This is TQR के similar करना है. So let's start from the given. We'll write first what is given. Given is that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and you can here also one angle 1 equal to angle 2. To show, we write to show is that triangle RPQ similar, this is TQR, this is we have to show. So start now. I'll give you the idea how you can show. See this angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal given. So by if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. So you can get PR equal to PQ, and this PR will be replaced by this PQ. Once you replace this PR, if you replace by this PQ, so now you see which criteria you are going to get, that QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. So we are going to get this triangle RPQ and TQR similar, and this angle 1 is common in both the triangles. So SAS criteria we can apply. So let's start now and write it. In triangle PQR, angle 1 equal to angle 2, it implies that side PQ is equal to PR, and you can write the reasons. Opposite sides of equal opposite angles. So this is the reason that you have mentioned. Now we have to see how we can use this given information. You can write now QR upon QS is going to be QT upon, we are going to replace this PR by PQ. So now from, you can write this from given and using, you can mark this as 1, from given and using equation number 1. So now we take the triangles which we have to prove similar. So RPQ and triangle TQR, we are going to get this QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ, and also angle 1 equal to angle 1, this is you write common, and this is you write above. So you can write now that triangle RPQ similar triangle TQR by SAS criteria. So this way we have proved this result. Now this question number 5, S and T are points on the side PR and QR. So first you make triangle PQR. So this is, let's say this is P, this is Q, this is R. So this is your triangle PQR, and S is a point on PR. So we take this point S on PR and T on QR. So we take this point T on QR such that angle P, this angle P is equal to RTS. RTS. If you have to join this angle, they both angles are given equal, and we have to show that RPQ is similar to RTS. You know that one angle in this triangle RTS and one angle RPQ is, they are already equal given, and just one more thing you need to just show that this angle is common. So using the criteria of AA, you can prove that these two triangles are similar. So we write all this information given. So we mark this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. So given angle 1 equal to angle 2, we'll write like this. And to show, we write this triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. So we write the solution in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. We are getting angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle R equal to angle R. This is given and this is common. So I can write directly that RPQ similar triangle RTS by AA criteria. Now see question number 6. In this it's given ABE is similar to ACD. This is ACD. So we make these triangles similar. ABE, this is A, this is B, and this is E. So this is A, this is B, this is E, they are similar. And ACD, this is A, this is C, and let's say this is AC, this is C, this is A, this is D. So the both triangles are given as similar. So now what we can get it from here? So we can make these two triangles separately so that you can understand how you can use this given information. These two triangles are similar. So if I take this side AE, then AE and this AE according to corresponding part, AE and AD ratio will be equal to AB and ratio AC by CPST, because this is given to us. So we'll write this given triangle ABE similar triangle ACD. From here only we can mention or you can write after that also, to show. To show, you have to show that triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. So we write the solution. Now you can write this that AE upon AD is equal to AB upon AC, and this is because given ABE similar triangle ACD. So this is the result that you are getting from the given information. Now we take triangle ABE, this is triangle ADE, and triangle ABC. So you can use this thing, AE upon AD is equal to AB upon AC. You can write this above. So you can see this AD upon AE upon AD equal to AB upon, this is AB upon AC. Or you can do some interchange, or you can also interchange that thing, that AE upon this information, you can write that AE upon EC is equal to AD upon AB. This is using the ratio property. I can explain you with the help of example, but I'm writing that first, that angle A equal to angle A, this is common. So these two triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by SAS. So now I'll explain you how I have written this. This is very easy, and everyone can see the proof. See, this is your triangle A, this is D, this is E, this is B, this is C. Now you can take any, this is given first, this is given that AE upon AD, this ratio. So this ratio you can assume any number, whatever number you like to assume, you can assume. Let's say this is the ratio 1, or this is 2, or you can say this is let's say this is equals to 1 by 2. For example, this is 1 by 2. So this length is 1x and this length is 2x, you can say. And this you can say 1x and this you can say 2x. Now, and this next ratio is, this is equal to AB upon AC. So it means that AB upon AC is also going to be 1 by 2. So you can assume any number you can assume. Let's say this is 7, this, let's say this is 14. So, and if I say this is 1, you may just leave 1, x you don't include now, just take an example. So this is 7 and this is 1. So 1 minus 7, this is 6, and this is 14 minus 2 is, this is 12. So now from this information you can see that AE upon EC is going to be 1 by 6. Also AD upon DB is going to be 2 by 12. This is also going to be 6. So you can use this as a result, and you can mention this as a property of ratio. This is as the property of ratio, and I have explained you this how you can do this. You can take any example, whatever example you want to take, you can take any one. You can take the similar side also, this is 2 2, and you can take this is 14 14 also. That way also you will get this ratio. This is AE upon EC is equal to AD upon DB. So rather than mention this in the exam, you can write this is the property of ratio using property of ratio. So this way you can show your desired result. Now question number 8 is, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD एक parallelogram बना लेते हैं सबसे पहले. So let's say this is your parallelogram. This is, let's say, A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and you are producing your E, and it's also given that your BE, let's say this point is E, your this point is meeting this point at E and cutting CD at F, and we have to show that triangle ABE, this bigger triangle ABE, is similar to CFB, this smaller one. So we'll write this given first. Given this is a parallelogram given, so you can say that AE parallel BC and AB parallel DC, AB parallel CD, and also this is given, or you may say this way, that ABCD is a parallelogram. To show, you have to show this triangle ABE, this is ABE, similar triangle CFB. So we write this solution. This very easy. कैसे करना है, जस्ट एक बार ध्यान से देखिए. This angle 1, let's say this angle 1 and this angle 2. I think you can see this relation, that angle 1 and angle 2, they are alternate angles, and this angle A will be equal to angle C. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So you are getting now two angles equal in two triangles. So you can say these two triangles are similar with the help of AA. So we simply write, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is alternate interior angles, and angle A is equal to angle C, and these are opposite equal angles of a parallelogram, equal angles of a parallelogram. So you can write this triangle ABE, similar triangle CFB with the help of double A. If you have liked this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.